In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create alerts on your Kraken Desktop application. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. But before starting, I want to let you know that Kraken is currently offering up to 75 euros or dollars for new users. So all you need to do is create an account with the link I will leave on the description below, or you can also use my invite code. And after that, you should see a window with some requirements you need to do. So you will usually need to deposit 100 or 200 euros and then trade them, which can be just converting them from one crypto to another. And after you have completed the task, you will automatically get money directly on your Kraken wallet and you can withdraw it to your bank account whenever you want. Then you can keep inviting more friends, so you will get up to 75 euros for you and every friend you invite to Kraken. So don't forget to join Kraken with the link in the description below. So you just need to open the Kraken application and go to this icon right here where it says alerts. Now you will have the active alerts you have and the log in case you have any. So to create a new alert, just click this button and just set up the condition you want. So select any market you want. For this case, let's say we want an alert for the Bitcoin USD pair. And when you want to trigger these alerts. So this is the current Bitcoin price, and let's say I want this alert to trigger whenever Bitcoin hits $80,000. So I could do it like this, create an alert, and now whenever Bitcoin hits this price, I will automatically get an alert on the application and I will also get a sound. And whenever we want to see our alerts, just click here and we can go to the logs to see if it's active or not. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.